The population is increasing in every part of the world, especially in large cities. However, land in urban areas is limited. Hence, the building pattern is moving from horizontal spread to vertical high-rise. In the last decades, skyscrapers have dominated skylines worldwide. Due to the high cost of land and construction, built-up space is becoming an expensive commodity in the big cities. In case of fire, listed and approved firefighting systems play an extremely critical role. Adequate water pressure is not only a mandatory requirement, but it is also important for the safety of people, property protection, and minimal business interruption. Low-rise buildings have a pump house constructed at the basement, using a conventional firefighting system to meet the demands of fire safety requirements. In a high-rise building, the situation becomes more complicated. With the pump supply installed at the basement, high pressures are required to satisfy the demands of the upper levels of the building. If one riser is installed, it in turn places excessive pressure on the lower levels of the building. These levels have to be protected by pressure-reducing valves. However, pressure-reducing valves are not allowed on this application by European rules and regulations, or by many major international cities where high-rise buildings are common, including Chicago. To avoid overpressurization issues, the building's sprinkler protection is divided into zones, covered by individual risers, each fed by a dedicated pump house. The present conventional firefighting system has either pumps in the basement for each of these zones, or multiple pumps installed at various levels of the building to cover each zone. However, there are certain disadvantages in this approach. More space consumption, higher cost of equipment, complex piping, extensive building electrical infrastructure, higher long-term planned maintenance costs, additional water storage tank at intermediate levels, vibration and noise, safety, pump house approach issue. With the advent of new technology, the conventional pumps can be replaced with Msmo pumps by SPP. Msmo pump, when installed in the basement pump house, eliminates multiple pumps at the basement or the pumps in the intermediate levels of the building, thus saving space and money that can be potentially be to the tune of $1 million in the suburban area of metro cities. Fire is one of the most common reasons that cause disasters in residential and commercial constructions. During such hazardous situations in high-rise or low-rise buildings, the fire pump starts when the pressure in the fire sprinkler system drops below a threshold. Due to multiple outlets, the water pressure is sufficiently and equally distributed, irrespective of the height of the construction. Msmo pump plays a major role in having the safety of people, property protection, and minimal business interruption. Salient features of Msmo pumps are saving expensive space in a high-rise building, substantial savings on the construction of pump house, multi-outlet variant reduces the necessity of multiple pumps for different head requirements, less pipework and valves, no water storage tank at intermediate level, self-alignment of pump and motor couplings. Ring section diffuser type construction totally eliminates the radial loads. The suction and delivery piping can be placed as per the user's requirement throughout 360 degrees. Low maintenance cost. Product range. Msmo is available up to flow range 3,082 US gallons per minute or 700 meter cube per hour. Head range 1,640 feet or 500 meters. Number of outlets 7. Standard materials used for the construction of Msmo are cast iron for casing, bronze for impeller, stainless steel for shaft, and if required, the pumps can be manufactured to order in special materials of your choice. For firefighting applications today, Msmo pump by SPP is the most preferred technology that protects the iconic buildings worldwide. Msmo pump sets. Your space, your money.